Welcome to the best picks. The best ignition switch is probably one of the most overlooked components on your boat, until it fails. Today, we're diving deep into the world of outboard ignition switches, exploring their crucial role in keeping your engine running smoothly. We'll cover everything from how they work to the common problems you might encounter, ensuring you're well equipped to make the right choice for your boat and keep you out on the water. Number 5. Seachoice Johnson Evinrude Ignition Starter Switch. This is the Seachoice Ignition Starter Switch, designed for Johnson and Evinrude engines. It's a reliable switch that ensures your engine starts smoothly every time. This switch is a great choice for your boat. The switch features a push-to-choke function, eliminating the need for a separate choke switch. This integrated design simplifies the starting process. It makes it easier to get your engine running. This ignition switch is suitable for most OMC inboard-outboard applications. It's a versatile component that fits a wide range of boats. Ensure compatibility with your specific engine model. The switch has 6 terminals and measures 2 to 764 inches by 1 to 2964 inches. It comes with 2 keys for added convenience. This ensures a secure and reliable start every time. The package includes 2 keys, providing a spare for your convenience. Keep one as a backup, so you're always prepared. This is a practical addition to the product. The manufacturer part number for this switch is 50 to 11651. This number helps you easily identify and order the correct replacement part. Make sure you have the right part for your needs. What we like. This switch features a push-to-choke function, simplifying your starting process. It eliminates the need for a separate choke switch, streamlining your boat's controls. If you're looking for a straightforward, easy-to-use ignition switch, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install. Push-to-choke works unlike the cheaper one I bought before. Labeled like the original, which made for an easy installation. Worked as it should. Worked perfectly. Number 4. OMC Johnson Evinrude Ignition Switch and Key Assembly. This is a brand new ignition switch and key assembly with a safety lanyard. It is compatible with OMC Johnson Evinrude 40-200 HP outboard motors. It meets original factory specifications. This kit replaces part numbers 175974 and 500-5801. Use it to quickly repair your boat's ignition and starting system. Installation is easy, just plug and play. The ignition switch assembly is made of high-quality plastic and metal. It is designed to be wear-resistant and durable, ensuring a long service life. You can rely on it for a great experience. The package includes 1 ignition switch and key assembly with a safety lanyard. Everything you need is right there. We offer a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer service. If you're not satisfied, you'll be offered a replacement, no questions asked. Enjoy a risk-free purchase. What we like. This assembly includes a safety lanyard, enhancing your boating safety. It's built with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. If you prioritize safety and durability in your marine equipment, consider this option. What people say. Fit perfectly. Very easy to install. Looks durable, feels durable. My pontoon working start at the ignition, this fixed it immediately. Just like the original. Number 3. OMC Johnson Evinrude 500-5801 Ignition Key Switch. Are you looking for a reliable ignition key switch for your boat? This is a direct replacement for your Johnson Evinrude outboard motor. It's designed for easy use and installation. This ignition key switch replaces part numbers 500, 5801 and 175974. It's a perfect fit for your boat, ensuring a smooth start every time. You can be sure it will work well. Installation is simple. It's a plug-and-play design, so there's no need for wire splicing. This makes the replacement process quick and easy for you. Made from high-quality plastic and metal, it's built to last. The switch is strong, wear-resistant, and designed for maximum durability, ensuring it will serve you for a long time. The package includes the ignition switch assembly and a key with a lanyard. It has everything you need to get your boat running smoothly. If you have any questions, please contact us. What we like. This ignition key switch is designed for easy use and direct replacement. It offers a simple plug-and-play installation, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and a hassle-free setup, this switch is a great choice. What people say. Just like my original switch was easy to install. This unit came in quickly and was a drop-in fit as a replacement. Easy to install. Exactly as original. Number 2. Johnson Evinrude OMC BRP Outboard Motor Ignition Switch. This is a replacement ignition switch for Johnson Evinrude boat motors. It's designed to replace the original part and get your motor running smoothly again. This switch is a reliable solution for your boating needs. This ignition switch is a direct replacement for Johnson Evinrude Boat OMC BRP outboard motors. It replaces part numbers 500, 5801 and 175974. Make sure it fits your model before purchasing. The switch is made of high-standard plastic and metal. This combination ensures durability and reliability, so you can trust it to perform well in various conditions. It's built to last. The black and red color scheme is a classic look. The materials used are designed to withstand the marine environment. You can rely on it for consistent performance. We are committed to providing you with excellent service. From purchase to installation, we are here to assist you. We aim to ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. This switch is made of high-standard plastic and metal material, ensuring reliability. It's designed as a replacement for Johnson Evinrude Boat OMC BRP outboard motor. If you need a dependable switch for your boat, this is a solid selection. What people say. Okay. Fell apart second time out in boat. Boat would not start, found switch fell apart. Number 1. Johnson Evinrude OMC 77 Series Ignition Key Switch. This is a new OEM ignition key switch. It's designed for Johnson and Evinrude outboard motors. It ensures reliable starting and operation of your engine. This key switch is an original equipment manufacturer part. This means it meets the high standards set by Johnson and Evinrude. You can trust it for durability and performance. The part number for this key switch is 0508180. This number helps you to ensure you're getting the correct replacement part. Make sure it matches your motor specifications. The switch is designed for easy installation. It's a direct replacement for your old or faulty switch. You can quickly get your boat back on the water. Upgrade your outboard motor with this reliable ignition key switch. It offers peace of mind and smooth operation. Get yours now and enjoy your time on the water. What we like. This is a new OEM ignition key switch, ensuring quality and compatibility. It's designed to meet the original manufacturer's specifications. If you want a reliable, high-quality switch, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect fit for a 94 OMC remote, about a 10-minute job if you know how a screwdriver and a crescent work. Don't lose your terminal screws when pulling the old switch. This doesn't come with any, you get exactly what's in the pics. This was an OEM replacement for the defective switch in my son's 1978 Alumacraft boat with 35 HP of Evinrude motor. Installed in about 30 minutes and works perfectly. Installed this ignition switch quickly and easily. Exactly what I needed, works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.